this is Homeschool from the Heart about the resource section. Milo Sweet. There are going to be some free links at the bottom. You can decide to take the quiz on if you're homeschooling from the heart or not. There's a couple free PDFs that will serve as guide. And then there is Jumpstart Homeschool from the Heart and Homeschool Crash Course. Those are shorter courses if you just want to get the gist to get moving and then you want to schedule this at a later time. You can do that. The other resources that I will have are paid resources. So there's a workbook that'll go with you. And then there are the digital book, and also I'm working on a print book. So if you're interested in pairing it with the course, when it's available, I will let you know. If there's other resources that you would find helpful, like I'm thinking of creating a community group where we can talk about homeschool. If you're interested in something like that, let me know down below. I would take time to think about what other resources may help you retain this information if it's a journal. The point is for you to take the time to reflect about what you actually need to implement and to move forward. That's all for this video. Whoop. Depending on how you decided to take this course, you can follow up to the next video or schedule it the next day. All right.